Hi guys, so our Outback videos keeps continuing. First, what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you how to remove front bumper and stuff. So first you gotta get the grill off, which I know I already took it off, but then I decided to do video. So all it is this plastic tabs over here. So you just press them with a flathead screwdriver while pulling. So you'll pull one side, press, pull, while so keep tension while you're pulling. And then the top will come off. Then on the headlights, there's little plastic clips over here that's actually holding in here. So once you get the top off, you just slide it up and it will come up. After that, just take the headlights out. Fairly simple, just 10mm bolts here, here, and then one right there, and get the headlights out, and that will get you Subaru's famous bumper cover clips. Then just use a flathead screwdriver, get all those little shits off. Why Subaru? Why? Use normal bolts, screws, so you could use an impact gun. It'd be so much freaking faster. I think I need to start watching my cursing. I curse a lot. I love to curse. Oh, hello. There he goes. Alright, so you think that's all? It is not. Right, now we gotta get this little bastard out. And of course, because this one has been subject to all the fucking weather shit, it will not go. Nope, it will not. Alright, so what we're gonna do, just gonna rip them off. We'll try to push it from the other side real quick. So I'm gonna get up in here. Okay. There it is. Alright, I'm gonna get some tools. No fails. Use Subaru approved clip removal tool, Dykes. Fuck. And then blow the shit all over your face. That's what she said. Alright. with this little son of a bitch out. There's also another nut that should be in there. I believe it's a 10 mil. We're gonna see if we can get to that fucker. There's it. So this side's done. Now repeat. Same on the other side. Hey, wildebeest, knock that shit off. I'll get my fucking dikes ready. It's probably the same shit on the bottom here. This one at least spins a little. Well, yeah, that's about it. Alright, we're gonna fucking cut that one out too. And more Subaru approved clip removal tool, boom. Alright. Now we gotta get that 10 mil again. Oh. And then there's more. More underneath. Let's see if we can get this little camera here somewhere. Right there. We're almost home free. Pretty close. Now, go underneath here. Oh, yeah. Alright. I got a few more 10 mils, and then we're home free. This thing has a block hitter. No way. That's pretty cool. Alright, I lied about home free part. There's still more shit holding it. I just realized there's a whole bunch more clips right there. Right there. More. Notice it's a quality bumper attachment. Well, shit. Have to help it from the other side with my nail. This fucker does not want to come out. So I think I need a stubby. That's what she said. Fuck me. It's fucking clips. It's way more work than it should be. Come on, you fucker. Fuck am I bikes. Clip puller tool. There we go. This time we pulled it. Please don't be the same asshole like the other one was. Okay, this one seems to be a lot better. Oh fuck, of course. We'll leave it for the last one. Yep. There's gonna be a fucking couple of them. Motherfuckers. So all of those are fucking fucked. We got lucky on a couple, but more than half we didn't get lucky on. Okay, so now we gotta figure out to get these bitches out. Let's see. That didn't work. I might have loosened that fucker a little bit. Nope. You fucking ass. Oh. Damn. That was one. There's a lot more where that fucker came from. And then more Dyson Dykens. Let me one more. Man, those kids are fucking annoying. It's the beauty of living by the fucking park. You have to pay fucking extra for that too. They're probably thinking, oh man, that guy fucking annoying with all the power tools. It's a fucking trade-off here. I feel like I've been fucking cutting these motherfucking clips all day today. And if you don't know, I made the second video for the rear bumper. It was same shit. Half of the clips had to be cut off. So when these bitches get stuck in there and they just don't spin anymore, and then because this is plastic, you just strip them fucking instantly. Alright. And the bumper comes off. Alright guys, so this was a quick little tutorial how to get the bumper off on Subaru Outback, fucking mid-90s to early 2000s. Alright guys, so if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, hit like for more videos. Thank you very much, have a good day.